Oh, what are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? 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 Wow, he doesn't talk. He won't talk at all. Let me get a bomb on him. He makes a touchy sound there. Wanna know hypnosis? Doesn't know. Do you wanna know how to use a ray gun? Wow, you talk. No. Let me see. Oops. Well, can you do the can? Me, though, I only can do whiffs. Ooh. Sorry, my tail has got allergic allergies. Something. Can't you just talk? Come on, get up like a man, and do this, and do the yeah. See, he's a Pokeball. Catch. Kill the Kogan! Kill him! Kill him! No, are you alright? He's not alright. He has a butt problem. A butt problem. You might catch the emo. Come on, get up where everybody can see you. Oh, there's Cam up there. Look, everybody likes me. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Never mind. Got a Pokeball. Hey Charizard, how you doing? Die. Yeah. So, sorry, where's my medals? I'm a Smash Kid. What is your name? What's your name? Oh, you come here. Come here. So that people can see you. Yeah. He's a star of the show. Okay. So you hate Mario, right? Oh, I met him. Is he asked to whisper you? And wish. And wish. Sorry, Mr. Guy. I don't even know what to call you. Now, speak to the kid of Smash Wars. Ooh. Touchy sound. Okay then. I went to and I'm gonna kill you right now. Your head's stuck in a box. I was sick. Not anymore. Cool. We're in China right now. I'm going to China.